Man linked to killing of 59-year-old woman held and charged by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew South Police have charged 30-year-old Romario Grant, otherwise called Kaka, of Nelson Street, Kingston 13, with the murder of a female that occurred on Nelson Road, Kingston 13 on Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Dead is 59-year-old Irene Leng of Nelson Avenue, Kingston 13. Along with the murder of Leng, Grant is also charged with possession of prohibited weapon, possession of prohibited ammunition, and using a firearm to commit a felony. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that at around 7:35 p.m., Leng was sitting on a chair at her gate when she was pounced upon by a gunman traveling in a Toyota Probox motor car, who opened gunfire, hitting her multiple times. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Leng was seen with what appears to be gunshot wounds. She was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. A police report was made and the investigation launched by the police. During the investigation, Grant was arrested. He was charged after he was interviewed in the presence of his attorney. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.